Hey, what's up guys, how you doing? Excuse me, welcome back to my kitchen. It's November 20th, if I believe. It's just approaching noon and it's an horrible winter's day. It's freezing cold, pouring down the rain and right miserable and horrible. Anyway, enough of that. Hope you're alright, hope you're okay, life's treating you well and life's treating you good. Okay, proper dodgy light coming through the window today, so if I put my maximum light on like that, I'm kind of a weird kind of light. If I do that and do that, I get this in my eye, so you know, and all of a sudden I go light, dark. So not sure how to do it. Anyway, you don't want to see my face anyway, it's ugly enough. Alright, anyway, today I'm going to show you how to make my version homemade hot sausage rolls. Oh yeah, very nice, delicious, all good. Now before I go any further, I should be on my own at the moment, but Remy's home. Apparently weren't feeling too well school yesterday, feeling a bit pukey but coughed up a bit of phlegm, as the TA told me. Got home last night, everything was fine, he was playing okay and he had his dinner and everything was sweet as a nut. We got all the kids ready and bathed and suppered and went to bed. The wife and I sat down about 11 o'clock last night. All of a sudden he's walked through the door absolutely covered from head to foot in puke. Absolutely covered. Went into the bedroom, it's everywhere, the pillow, the quilt, the floor, and anyway, don't know what was the matter with him. School is one big germ bucket as it is, so he's obviously picked up something from there. He's touched one of the dodgy surfaces in there because they don't clean properly, obviously, and then obviously brought it home. Anyway, so I've had him home today, and he's in the living room at the moment. He's eating chicken and chips at the moment. That'll show you how not well he is. Anyway, nothing wrong with him. Everything's okay, but I've kept him home as a precaution. So he might be popping in and out, okay? Alright, because normally I'm on my own, aren't I? Alright, okay. Anyway, cut long story short, this is how I normally do it. I love hot sausage rolls, Greggs, Percy Ingles, etc, etc, etc. But I find that their pastry's dry, and their sausages are dry, and it's rusky, and it's crap. Alright, so I'm going to show you how to do this. I'm going to do it as quickly as possible, because I've watched my videos, and sometimes I go on quite a bit. And I'll believe man, so anyway, forget all that crap. Right, now, this is what we're going to do. First of all, don't mess around making pastry, I can't be dealing with all that. That's what these are for. Ready made, puff pastry, in a roll from Greenvale. Greenvale equals Aldi's, very nice, under £1, done. This will make, this roll, as you can see out in front here, will make 4 large sausage rolls. I make these all the time, they're absolutely delicious. All the family and my wife takes them at work. All the work ladies where my wife is eat all my stuff, they eat all my cakes, my sausage rolls, my Scotch eggs, and so there's a big kiss out to all the ladies that work with my wife, that eat all my food and enjoy it. I love you very much. Okay, right, this is my ingredients, okay? I'm not going to mess around buying sausage meat in a bag that's full of fat and full of rust. I don't do that. I buy either Lincolnshire or Cumberland sausages. That's what I buy. I buy them in the 8-pack. An 8-pack will make you, with this roll, 4 large sausage rolls, okay? Grab your sausages, cut the skins off. Take the skins off and throw the 8 sausages in a bowl. To that bowl, you're going to add the following. You can use fresh ingredients. Fresh chopped onions, fresh garlic, excuse me, just had a cup of tea, fresh apple, etc, etc, etc. Today I'm going to do it quick, cheap and cheerful, okay? So, 8 Cumberland sausages skinned in a bowl. First thing you're going to do, large cereal spoon apple sauce, straight in, done. Salt and pepper, straight in, season. Mixed herbs, little sprinkle, because Cumberlands and Lincolnshires have already got herbs in them. Next thing, onion granules, sprinkle. Garlic granules, sprinkle. Syrup, golden syrup. Golden syrup, give it a nice sweet flavour. And then last but not least, hello mister, last but not least, 1 egg.
This?
That's yours. You eat chips?
No.
Alright, go and eat your chips then. Alright.
Have you done my pepper?
No, because I've given you 2 cups already. Okay. So, I've done all that, I've put all that in a bowl, and then what I've done is I've got my hands dirty. Straight in. And what you should end up with is a nice big wet ball. Smells delicious. That's got everything in it. Egg, garlic, apple, salt, pepper, herbs, syrup, egg, etc, etc. So that's your inside mix ready. When this cooks, oh my god, it's so delicious. Anyway, enough of that crap. That's done. Roll. Take it out of the wrap. Flour your top. Just give it a little roll. Just a little more roll, just to make it that little bit longer and that little bit wider. But that's it. Don't play with it. Okay? Now, like I said, this mix will make 4 large sausage rolls. What I normally do is I normally do my tray, and I normally butter it, I normally oil it. But every single time I use whatever I use, sausage rolls stick to the tray. So I thought, let's try greaseproof this time. So I'm going to try greaseproof this time, okay? Right, this is how we're going to do it. I'm not going to mess around. I'm not going to do it nice and slow. I'm chatting away to you. I'm just going to do it as quick as I can. Right, fingers. Wash my hands, obviously. Antibacterial soap. Okay, grab hold of a bit of mix on your hand. Do it in front of you, like that. Then you're going to spread that along, just to make a little roll. It doesn't, you know, this, like I said many times before, I'm not a Michelin star chef. This ain't Ready Steady Cook or the F word, you know. This is the Franklin Kitchen, so we're just going to do it nice and rough and quick, because that's what home cooking's all about. Okay, and that is literally it. There you go. Look, one sausage there. Okay. Now, what you're going to do? Rinse your hands, because you have to rinse your hands for every one you do. Otherwise, you're going to get all your sausage meat everywhere. I'm trying to do it as quick as possible, because normally I go and I believe no man, don't I? Okay. Now, you can see what I'm doing. Fold that over there like that. I've already floured my top. Put that over there like that. You can go all the way up to the end if you want, but if you just push down, it will go all the way at the end. Just roll that over. And as you roll that over like that, to there, okay? And that's your first roll. But what you're going to do is you're just going to take that back, and then with your egg wash that you've got, a couple of eggs, just get your brush, do it like that, just brush it down that line like that, grab your knife, cut down the line, just like that, roll it down to the join, onto the join like that, grab all your sausage roll, and lay it on your greaseproof. We'll deal with that in a minute. That's the first one, okay? So that's what you do. That's what you're looking for. Come off then, because that's what you're looking for, just like that. Okay. Now put that there like that. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to make another 3 of them with me mix, and then I'll show you the next stage in a minute. Okay. All right. You do yours. I do mine. We'll come back with each other in a minute. Yeah. Okay. It's good. See you in a minute. Okay. We're back on. Your 4 should be done. My 4 are done, okay? Alright, so we're done. Alright, so that's what you should have. You should have 4 rolls. Light coming through the window again. Yeah, bit of a better angle then. You should have 4 long, full length going to the baking tray. 4 long, big sausage rolls. And then when they're cooked, you go smack, 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 smack with a knife down the middle. Gives you 8 normal size sausage rolls that you get out of the shop. 8 of them, okay? Alright, so they're done. Don't mess around topping and tailing them and cutting them off and making them all look nice and neat and tidy. Don't need all that, okay? You do not need all that. But what you do need to do is make sure that they're down on the joins. Now, I've made these God knows how many times, okay? I don't think there's a time that I've ever made hot sausage rolls here that at least one of these haven't split open. So, they're going to split. Don't worry about it. Even when you put them down underneath on the seam, they'll probably split from the top. Even when you do pierce them, which is what I'm going to do. Okay, egg wash. First thing, egg wash. Make sure, plenty of egg wash. Don't worry about it, just paint it straight over. Plenty of egg wash. Make sure the entire thing's covered. So when it cooks, it goes nice and golden brown. Okay? Like I said, don't worry about it, slap it on. You know, you don't have to worry about no mess and that. It's on the tray anyway. As I said to you, I make these all the time. They're delicious. And you know, as I said, my missus takes them at work. All the girls at work love them. So thanks, girls. Like I said, if I was, you know, if I was going to praise anybody, it would be them guys there, because they eat all my food. They're all still alive. Anyway. Right, see, as you can see, loads and loads of egg wash all over the top. Done. So that's your egg wash, okay? Last thing you're going to do, fork it. Okay, just at an angle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Done. That's it. Okay? You've done your egg wash, you've done your piercings, let the air out. That's what you're looking at. So I can get the angle on it, about the light breaking it. Can you see it? Okay. In the oven, gas mark 6 for about 30 minutes. Okay? My oven's been on forever because Remy's been home. My light bulb blew above me as well, so I've had to go to the shop. So as a matter of fact, I've actually done this video about 3 times already. Anyway, so this oven's been on for God knows how long and it's red hot. Okay, so these won't take long to cook as opposed to you putting it on and warming it up slowly. Okay, gas mark 6, about 30 minutes. You'll know when they're done, come out because they'll be golden brown. The smell will be delicious, but I'll show you anyway. Okay, so get ready, watch the heat coming out your door, step back, open your door, let the heat out, put your tray straight in, done. Okay, now I've got 12:15, gas mark 6. I'm going to come out here and check about 20 minutes time, and then I'll tell you the timing when I come back. Alright, so you put yours in, I'll put mine in, and then we'll both match up in a minute, 20 minutes or half hour's time. Alright, okay, see you then. Take care, stay there. Hi guys, are you back? Are you back? Are you back? Are you back with me? Are you back with me? Alright, okay, I've timed it. It is now 47, which is about 30 to 32 minutes later. Smells delicious. I can have a look, I can see they're golden brown. So, mine are ready. Are yours ready? Yeah? Okay, let's grab a cloth and let's take them out. Are you ready? Are you steady? Let's get it on. Okay, do me towel. Are you ready? Turn your heat off. Watch your face as you open your door. Step back. Oh my God, look at them. Are you ready? Are you steady? Oh my God, look at them. Ooh, more got it. Let me grab it because it's hot. Let me fold my towel a bit more so I can show you. These are my version. Hold on a minute, let me show you. These are my version homemade hot sausage rolls. Look at them. Good. If only you could have us keep saying it over and over again. Smell-o-vision. Don't know if you can hear them. See if we can hear them. I don't know if you can hear them, you can still hear them bubbling. Smells absolutely delicious. There you go. 4 very large, very wide, homemade hot sausage rolls. Okay, and that's it. That's all you need to do. They are done, dusted, they're sorted. Okay, let them cool down and scoff them. You know what I normally do is I normally keep 2 because I lose 2 immediately because my missus takes them to work for all the ladies at work. So, as I said, I'll keep 2 and then I'll lose 2. But, as I said, cut them in half. 1, 2, 3, 4 will give you 8 normal size sausage rolls that you get from the bakers. Only these ones are better. 1, because they're homemade. 2, because they're all made with fresh ingredients and, you know, none of the crap that they use in the shops. You'll never be able to buy these. You'll never be able to buy these. They'll never taste the way they do. Just as a quick look and quick show you, can't really cut much because they're going to be very hot. Grease proof, doesn't stick to the grease proof. There you go. Very hot. Oh. Wow. Hot. Oh, beautiful, crispy. Oh. Oh my God. I've burnt the roof of my mouth now. That'll teach me. Okay. You can see it there, look. Sausage meat inside. Wrapped in all the pastry. Oh. Delicious. Absolutely delicious. Guys, you've got to try these. You've got to make these for yourself. Homemade sausage rolls. And as I have done since I have started making them, since I started making these sausage rolls at home, I have never bought a sausage roll from a shop since. Okay? And I never will. Well, why would you want to go and pay in a baker's or in a supermarket for sausage rolls when you can make them at home? You saw how long it took. It took the best part of 10 minutes to put it all together. The oven does the rest. And there you go, look. Look. It's beautiful. Homemade, golden brown, hot sausage rolls. Look. You can do anything with them. You can eat them, snack them, cut them, use them for dinner. You can do whatever you like with them. You can sell them if you want to. Okay? Anyway, I've kept you long enough. What's that? 14 minutes. Yeah, I've kept you long enough. Okay, that's our mate. Our mate sausage rolls. Lincolnshire or Cumberland sausage meat, salt and pepper, apple sauce, onion, garlic. Put whatever you like in, mixed herbs. You can put whatever you like in at all. Okay, it's entirely up to you, but that's how you do an homemade hot sausage roll. If you guys want to know anything, let me know. Try them yourself, tell me what you think. You know the usual way I always say. Okay, got me fish, it'd be a better fish. That's all pulling the moisture out of it at the moment, so I've salted it, so I'm trying to pull the moisture out of it at the moment. Done a particular batter, so we've got beer batter fish tonight, beer batter fish. Nicely, as you know, my homemade batter. Look at that, beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Not too thick, as it won't cook. Not too thin, as it will just run off just right. Got a little bit of a kick in there, like I normally do. You know how I make my beer batter. I got my beer, my flour, my corn flour, a little salt, a little baking powder. But this time I'll give it a little kick. Half a teaspoon of chilli powder in. Done. Okay. This time instead of using the base fish I normally use, I'm using cod fillet tonight. Anyway. Enough of that, it's not this recipe, and I've already shown you how to make beer batter fish. Okay, once again, there you go, take a good look. Hot sausage rolls, they should be like yours. Okay, done. Take care, have a nice day, and I'll see you next time with whatever I'm going to be making next time. Okay, all the best, take care, see you later, mind how you go.